Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a huge Revive essential oils haul. I just placed a big order. I'm doing New Year's videos for January for Revive, and I also needed to restock on some stuff for our home and for my collection of things. So first I will just start with these. This is 3-pack. So when you bundle, you save, you get more for your value. This is their gummy collection. So they have vitamin D3 gummies, elderberry gummies, and then apple cider vinegar gummies. So depending on your needs, whether it's immune boosting or the apple cider vinegar does so many things, they have these for supplements, and they taste really good too. I've had these before, but these are going to be used for a video, and then also we use them. Elderberry is for immune support. Don't quote me, but I think the studies on it are that it reduces your risk of getting sick, and then if you do get sick, it's not as bad and it doesn't last as long. We take elderberry regularly, and among a ton of other herbs, and really, I mean, guys, I've had strep throat I think twice in the last 10 years, but other than that, none of us have been on an antibiotic, and that is saying a lot. We're a family of 4 and we've never had to take antibiotics except strep throat. So anyways, apple cider vinegar, this one does so many things. Maybe I'll put some of the benefits on the screen here. But if you're dealing with some sort of fungal issue, candida, stuff like that, apple cider, I think, helps feed that. So just keep that in mind. And learn all of those little tips from my friend Rain, which is Balancing Flamingo on Instagram. She's great. And then vitamin D3 is supports immune and bone health. So again, taking this for immune support, vitamin D is essential. Gummies are just really good. So I love vitamins in that form. Next, I got some hand soaps. Actually, I'll just set this down here too. Okay, got some, I forgot I got neem. Neem is an essential, or a carrier oil, that is good for plants. So I'm going to make a plant spray with neem oil and maybe some essential oils. And then I also got jojoba. This is great for all skin types. So if you're making some sort of DIY skincare, jojoba is always great. I just like it too for mixing and making my different blends, just to use something different other than coconut oil all the time. Next, I got some hand soaps. I got a bunch of hand soap. We have a bunch of sinks in our house, so we're always running out of hand soap. I think these are all the same. This is the Immunity Boost hand soap, so getting us through the winter with some more germ support. Immunity Boost has essential oils in it. I believe they have 2 different immune blends, but I believe Immunity Boost is their Thieves dupe. Let me just read it. There is clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. Yes, this is their Thieves dupe. Thieves foaming hand soap, basically. Immunity Boost. Yeah, I just got 4 of the same soap. Okay, this. Oh, I got this. This is an essential oil blend. It's called Love and Romance. I am doing some Valentine's Day videos also, so this is going to be for that. But also, I think it has ylang ylang. Let's see. Yes, ylang ylang, jasmine, and geranium. So I'm just excited to get this blend too, to use, make a massage oil. It's really, really good. Ylang ylang is one of my favorite. It's top 3, I think. It smells amazing, and it's such a good perfume dupe, or not dupe, but a perfume essential oil, whether you're just putting a little bit of it on your wrists or making a perfume with alcohol. It's just a great floral, and it smells so luxurious. I think the rest are essential oils. So I have 2, or I have a roller. What's this roller? I got a tea tree roller. Tea tree is just such a powerful multifunctioning essential oil, like lavender and frankincense, and so we use it for a lot of things. Acne too. This one, let me see what it's mixed with. So it's mixed with coconut oil, so this won't be the best acne spot treatment just because of the coconut oil, but we use this for a lot of different things. Oh, it had and it smells, it smells great, but tea tree is a powerful anti all of the things, so it's a good one to have on hand. And then we have Calm essential oil blend. This is a blend of lavender, cedarwood, hoewood, ylang ylang, marjoram, Roman chamomile, vetiver, vanilla, and Hawaiian sandalwood. Oh my goodness. I am so excited to smell this. This is so many good oils. I wonder if this is a dupe for something. Let me look. It's kind of taking me back to Young Living days. Let's see what it is. Okay, so it's not a Young Living dupe, but it is the Revive's version of doTERRA Serenity. This smells very good. Kind of a gentle baby, if you are familiar with that one. It's a lavender, but then all of these other notes just hit you. This smells so good. Organic sweet orange. We all know what orange smells like. Orange is great for cleaning. Uplifting scent. Fantastic is another blend. This one is citrus. This is orange, grapefruit, Roman chamomile, and magnolia. So this one is a really like floral one too. Ooh, that is so sweet. Fantastic is Revive's version of the doTERRA blend called Citrus Bloom. Oh my gosh, it is like, eat this. It smells so good. It's like so fresh, but also has those floral notes in it, but not too much. It smells so good. Then I got bergamot. This is FCF, bergaptin free. So this is going to, usually bergamot is a sun sensitizer oil. Like if you put it on and go in the sun, you're going to get a reaction. This one has taken that constituent or that component out of the oil, so it's not going to be phototoxic. And then another whole pack of oils. Lots of oils, which I'm really excited about. These are mostly new ones too that I haven't smelled before. Well, eucalyptus, we know what eucalyptus smells like. Citrus Delight, grapefruit, which we know grapefruit. Citrus Delight is orange, lemon, grapefruit, mandarin, bergamot, tangerine, and clementine. Oh, and vanilla. So super citrusy, and then vanilla. Oh, okay, I'm ready. Oh my goodness. Why? Almost all of these are smelling so good. Citrus, spelled it wrong. So I've got all of the doTERRA dupes this time, it feels like, but this is doTERRA's Citrus Bliss dupe. So this is called Citrus Delight. Oh my gosh. This smells, the vanilla in here, it's like orange creamsicle, super fresh and citrusy. I'm getting all of these like uplifting and eucalyptus, grapefruit, all of these oils to help with like motivation in January. And then bergamot helps with like sad foam, also kind of helps with like seasonal emotions too. Okay, and lastly, Purify and lemon. Purify is Revive's version of Purification from Young Living, which is like the essential oil to diffuse while you're cleaning, to add to your cleaning supplies. It has so many essential oils that help boost that and purifying the air and kind of helping with that. But I don't love lemongrass, but so many people do. Like there's lemongrass candles, like the aroma of lemongrass is loved by many, but I'm just in the minority. It's just too like I'm such a floral citrus person that lemongrass is like, stop it, I don't like it. But anyways, okay, that is it. Get ready for all of these videos. I'm so excited. New Year is one of my favorite times of the year, just to renew, reset. It's a new year, fresh blank slate. I just love that. You set goals, but I don't set like the typical New Year's goals. Set goals weekly. So I don't have New Year's resolutions, but let me know if you guys do, what you're excited about. Let me know if you have any of these oils and how you like to use them. Thanks for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.